All right, so I'm going to give you a little preview of what we're talking about on Thursday. It's going to be all about inducing positive emotions. That means how to help yourself think more positively instead of automatically thinking negatively. We're going to do that by starting off with looking at some favorite quotes you have from a list of positive quotes. We're going to pick our top three. Then we're going to create a gratitude list where you list 10 things that you're grateful for. That could be people, events, or opportunities that have happened in your life. We're going to share those. And we're going to look at your brain. Two vocabulary words we're going to use are your prefrontal cortex. That's the front part of your brain that thinks rationally. And then we're going to talk about the limbic part of your brain. That's in the middle. That controls your emotions. And we're going to see how your thoughts affect what happens in your brain. Okay, we're going to talk about words like oxytocin, dopamine, and serotonin, how those affect your anxiety, and how they induce a sense of well-being. We're going to talk about the benefits of positive emotions. Why are we even discussing positive emotions? Why is it important? And I'm going to give you a list of tips and tricks of how to have a better sense of well-being, how to be more happy, how to be more grateful in life. And then we're going to end with a really fun activity, almost like hypnosis. I'm going to show you this image. I'm going to talk through it. We're going to have some spa music playing. And you guys are going to respond in a fun way to this peaceful scene. All right, I will see you guys soon.